Hello students, welcome in virtual classroom of Standard 12th subject English. First of all, before starting today's lecture, I want to thank all of you for appreciating my efforts. So a big thank you from me. Okay students, now let us come to the point. Our today's lecture is based on appreciation. Yes, we already have studied appreciation of first three poems. Today, we are going to study appreciation of the fourth poem. The title of the poem is Have You Earned Your Tomorrow? Written by Edgar Guest. Today we will study it in simpler way for better understanding. Do you know what is the place of this question? Yes, you guessed it correct. Actually, third question in your theory paper of 80 marks is of 14 marks. 10 marks will be for sub question number A, where you will have 5 activity based questions, and sub question number B will be of appreciation of the poem for 4 marks. Students, please note that in third question you will have 2 different poems. Now let us see its scheme of marking. Subpoint number 1, appreciation of theme and language features for 2 marks. Subpoint number 2, explanation and presentation for 1 mark. And subpoint number 3, personal opinion and evaluation of the poem for 1 mark. And the overall marks are 4. Students, you will have question based on appreciation like this. Let us read this, but remember, in exam you will be asked only any 4 points for explanation. Remember that. Now let's read the question once. Write an appreciation of the poem considering the following points: about the poem, poet and title, theme or summary or gist of the poem, poetic style, language, poetic devices used in the poem, special features or novelties or focusing elements, message or values or morals in the poem, and finally your opinion about the poem. Now let us try to study it carefully according to points. About the poem, poet and title. Have You Earned Your Tomorrow is written by Edgar Guest. He is known as people's poet for his simple style and optimistic tone of writing. Guest is an American writer of newspaper and magazines. The title is appropriate as per the theme of the poem. It is a question asked to the readers what they are doing to secure the surety of their future. This is the thing which is about title. And now the title is catchy and it also arouses curiosity. Theme or summary of the poem. The poem Have You Earned Your Tomorrow is marked by questions directed at the reader. Through it, the poet appeals the readers to behave kindly with others and bring happiness on the face of the persons who come near them. It will give them a short future. They will be able to live in the coming future. In this poem, the speaker is asking the readers whether they have done anything to improve the life of another human being or not. It is up to you whether you will have a better future or not. Therefore, one should consider one's actions and deeds carefully and plan accordingly for a better future. Poetic style or language and poetic devices used in the poem. The language of the poem is easy and lucid. Informal words like howdy and phrases like a trail of kindness or a scar of discontent makes it interesting. In simple words, the poet expresses a very good advice. The poet has used the main figure of speech interrogation. The poem has four stanzas with four lines in each of them. The lines follow the pattern of A A B B C C A A D D E E F F A A. The repetition of the AY sound that appears in the first, second, and fourth stanzas is noteworthy. It has been used repetitively in order to unify the text. The questions are used to accept the advice that the poet wants to convey. Each stanza has rhyming words to create musical effect. Special features or novelties. In the poem, poet uses questions to create impact. There is an effective appeal to the readers to change their behavior to get assured future life. Any reader who considers it even briefly will be benefited of good future life. The tone of the poem is that of appeal. The poet asks forceful questions and convinces the readers to accept his thinking. The questions are used to connect the readers with the message that the poet wants to give. Message or morals in the poem. This is an inspirational poem. To get a short future, work properly today. God will give the bright future only to those who are ready to bring happiness in the life of others. In simpler words, one should do good to others. Be a good human being, a warm hearted person. Your opinion about the poem. Obviously, the poem teaches us good manners. I think the poem tests our compassion and kindness towards with others. I like the poem very much since it gives the message to show good behavior and it is the need of the time. Students, on the screen in front of you, the slide which appeared, you have a table in which points are provided, with the help of which you can write your own answer based on appreciation. So, with this, we come to an end of the virtual lecture. I hope you liked it. Good luck and happy learning. Thank you.